We're going to uncover 10 surprising ways ChatGPT can actually save you time and energy every single day.
I think people will be surprised by some of these.
Absolutely. So let's jump right into it with number 10, cooking and recipe suggestions. Imagine this, you're staring into your fridge, and all you've got are a few random ingredients. Eggs, pasta, cheese sound familiar.
Haha, yeah, I've been there.
Well, instead of giving up and ordering takeout, you can actually ask ChatGPT to come up with recipe ideas based on what you have on hand.
It's like having a personal chef who can whip up something delicious out of thin air.
Exactly. No more boring meals or spending hours scrolling through recipe websites. Now, for number 9, this one might surprise you. ChatGPT can actually offer mental health and stress relief tips.
It's a great tool for that. It's like having a little pocket guide to help you manage everyday stress.
Right. Had a crazy day at work. Instead of scrolling through social media, try asking ChatGPT for a quick breathing exercise or stress relief strategy.
It's not a replacement for professional help, of course, but it can offer some really helpful techniques. Quick ask. Almost 95% of you watch our videos but still aren't subscribed. Please click subscribe. It really helps us grow. And if you're not loving our content, you can always change your mind. Thanks, and back to it.
Okay, moving on to number 8. Let's talk about data. Organizing and formatting data can be a real pain. Spreadsheets, lists, you name it.
I think we've all been there.
But what if ChatGPT could be your personal data assistant? It can actually help you organize, categorize, and even perform basic calculations on your data.
It's a huge time saver, especially for people who work with data regularly.
I can definitely see that. All right, number 7. This one hits close to home for a lot of us. Budgeting and financial planning. Nobody really enjoys managing their finances, right?
I think it's safe to say most people don't.
But it's so important. And the cool thing is ChatGPT can actually break down your budget, help you identify areas where you can save, and even suggest ways to adjust your spending to reach your financial goals.
It's like having a virtual financial advisor right in your pocket.
Absolutely. And speaking of learning, number 6 on our list is learning a new language. Always wanted to learn Spanish, French, or maybe even Mandarin.
It's a great goal.
It is. And ChatGPT can act as your personal language tutor.
Wow. I didn't know it could do that.
It can. It can help with vocabulary, sentence structure, pronunciation, and even practice conversations with you.
That's amazing. It's like having a language learning app that's customized just for you.
Right. And now let's tackle something we all have to deal with. Work emails. Number 5 on our list is drafting professional emails or reports. Ugh. Sometimes just the thought of writing those things can be exhausting.
Tell me about it.
But guess what? ChatGPT can actually help you craft those emails and reports quickly and efficiently, making sure they sound polished and professional.
It can even help you tailor your message to different audiences. That's so useful.
Definitely a time saver.
Hey, want our free AI dope top AI tools that we use? Chat below. It's our live Google Sheets packed with over 100 killer tools, video, music, photos, AI voices, productivity, script writing, YouTube hacks, captions, the works. Always growing. Live Google Sheet. Always free. AI, dope top AI tools that we use. Download and chat below. Back to the show.
Now, for all the fitness buffs out there, number 4 on our list is creating customized diet or workout plans. I know, it sounds almost too good to be true.
I was skeptical at first, but it's really impressive.
It is. ChatGPT can generate personalized plans based on your fitness goals and preferences, whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or just get in better shape overall.
It's important to remember, though, it's always a good idea to consult with healthcare professionals to make sure the plan is safe and effective for you.
Absolutely. Safety always comes first. All right, moving on to number 3, planning and organizing your day. Feeling overwhelmed by your to-do list. I know I do sometimes.
We all have those days.
Well, ChatGPT can act as your virtual planner, helping you organize your tasks, prioritize what needs to get done, and even break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable steps.
That's a game changer for productivity.
I completely agree. And for all you writers out there, number 2 on our list might just change your life. Generating ideas for writing, content, or social media. Writer's block gets the worst, right?
Ugh, the struggle is real.
But ChatGPT can help you brainstorm fresh, creative ideas for all kinds of writing projects, from blog posts and essays to social media captions and even video scripts.
It's like having a brainstorming buddy on demand. Super helpful.
And finally, the number 1 time saver on our list is summarizing lengthy articles or books. We've all been there, faced with a mountain of reading material and not enough time to get through it all.
Oh, yeah, especially in today's world, there's just so much information to consume.
So much. But imagine being able to get the key takeaways from those long articles and books in just seconds.
Bruh.
Well, ChatGPT can do just that.
It can condense all that information into easy-to-understand summaries, saving you a ton of time and effort.
Right, it's like having a super-powered research assistant right at your fingertips.
Click this next video to see why ChatGPT has upped the game even further with Operator. This isn't just another chatbot, it's an AI that's automating work in ways we've never seen before.